Here at Flooring Services, we offer not only installation, but we also offer design services in the showroom. Our home builders will send in clients. We will help them make full selections on homes. Designers will send in their clients with ideas, and we help make those dreams come true. When clients come into the showroom to make selections, there are a lot of decisions that need to be made that you may not think about in the front end. And so we are here to be able to provide assistance and being able to keep track of all of those fine details. That way they are exactly executed on the job site as the homeowner has in their vision. We look forward to working with you in our newly designed showroom located in Goose Creek, where we offer an abundant amount of new and trending tile, hardwood, and carpet options.